Hey, back again. Bit more hand sanding, but I'll do it on time lapse so you get an idea of how much it takes to do. It's not fun, but there you go. Right, I've been sanding this for a little while now. I've noticed a few marks which you normally do when you go finer grit. Some marks show up, so I'm going back to a lower grip. I'm going to take the marks out and then redo what I've just done to make a nice clean finish. But these are the things that happen, so these are the things you have to do. That's why sanding is such a pain in the butt. Get back to you soon. Okay, I've been at this about 3/4 of an hour now, and that's 600 done by hand. Now I'll get a clean bit of cloth, rub off. Right, this is the side that hasn't been sanded, and you can see all the little marks. It looks very clean. There's loads and loads of little marks all the way over, all the way up there. Now, if I turn it over, you can see that the marks are now extremely small. In fact, they're so small, I'm having trouble picking them up. To the eye, you can't see them. So next grit will be 800, but I'll come back to you and show you that once it's done, because there's no point in boring you with what I've just been doing. It's exactly the same, just different grits. So see you soon. Right, it's been a while now, probably a good hour and a half, but I'm up to 1,000 grit, so I'll try and show you. It's starting to get really reflective now. You can see the roof of my workshop. Very even, see. Just see the lines here, but they're really fine. So you can see the reflection of my finger. So on the back as well, on the underside. So what I'm going to do now is give it a quick polish, just to clean it really, a bit of green polish, and I'll show you what it looks like after that. Okay, excuse me. Here you go, quick polish, only a green rub, so it's not gone to the high sheen polish, but as you can clearly see, pretty reflective. Almost, I'm just getting close to the mirror now. Hopefully you can pick this up. How even it is. Even the back edge. It takes a long time and a lot of effort. And straining of the eyes and swearing, going up and down on the grits until you get each one absolutely perfect. This is why customized costs a lot of money. Sorry to say, but it takes a lot of work. The initial grinding, the initial chopping out is no problem at all. That's the easy bit. The hard bit is getting a finish. But there you go, that's at 1,000. I'm going to 2,500, so I shall get this bit polished and more just off the paper, and then I'll polish and etch and then polish again. Then I've got to make a handle. But there you go, this will do for this episode. Cheers.